have you come to the city to support hawkers? As if you are a deputy president of hawkers. Most of your general secretaries have taken them to Geneva. I go with them. We are the largest delegation in Europe. Everywhere we go. Can ask Joel, will tell you. To expose them is not only to attend ILC, International Labour Conference, but to make them see how the world, how the cities are run, how governments are run, how trade unions are run, how people put on, how smart people are, how people deliver their speeches in international conferences. I have done everything under my leadership at Kotu. And I can tell you, your general secretary, all of them can do what I can do. If today I drop dead, God forbid, Kotu will still have able leadership because of the exposure. And I'm happy, I'm one of the people who is supporting the president's tours abroad. I support it. Let him be exposed. It's not a question of expenses. Let him see how other governments are run. Let President Ruto see how other cities are kept. But you can't have a deputy who comes to the city to support hawkers. Huh? I know it was a local deal, those smaller places and so on. But that does not mean it should not be exposed. He should read the management of cities, the management of towns, the management of municipalities, because Nairobi is the headquarters of our republic, is the gateway for anybody coming from Embakasi and meeting hawkers on the streets. That depicts the picture of poverty, how poor we are. You have a guest in a taxi, and somebody is hawking biscuits on the window of that particular guest who is coming here. He asks himself how poor these people are. We are not all that way poor. We have huge investment in our informal sector. Our informal economy, Joel, drives formal economy. Kenya is not a poor country. People have stolen billions and billions of shillings in this country, and we are still strong economically. So somebody should tell the DP, the deputy president, my friend GACHAGUA, that please get exposed. The position of deputy president must remain of appointment, being appointed by the president. And there will be no all these suckers you hear. Deputy president should be an appointee of the president, not a running mate. Because when he becomes a running mate, he feels he's also a president. President William Samoei Ruto is out of the country and is on top of his car. Now he's the real president, misleading people, misguiding the nation. He must be arrested. Yeah. If it were a Kanu government, me I'm Kanu, we would have arrested him in the morning. And taken him to where at one time Amina was taken to. You can't be contradicting government policies, contradicting your own president, contradicting everything. A deputy president is supposed to play fool. He's supposed to be just, not even to be heard, unless he has been told you will be heard now.